everybody! So I have a few unboxings I wanted to share with you today. One of the items is actually something from a newer collection, which I haven't bought from a new in-store collection in a while, so I wanted to unbox that first with you. And then I have a retired piece that I purchased off of Poshmark, so let's get into it. The first item I want to share with you is here in this box, so let's open it and take a look. Now this is something I've had my eye on for a while, but it just took me a while to make the actual purchase. So this is the HardWear link bracelet. This is from a newer collection. I've been buying a lot of pre-owned, pre-loved items, but this is something that is currently in stores. And I love the look of this. I think it's a really, really beautiful collection. I know this bracelet comes in a few different sizes. This is the medium link. It does come in a larger size and a micro link as well. So I wanted this to stack with my other bracelets. I love stacking kind of smaller bracelets up together. It's something I do pretty much every day. So I thought this would be a really nice size for that. And I've had this for a little while now, and I've been wearing it quite a bit. And I have to say it's really, really comfortable. It's fairly lightweight, so that makes it really easy to wear. I find that the heavier link bracelets, like if I have my bracelet loaded up with charms or just one of the larger links, it does irritate me a little bit, especially if I'm working on my computer a lot or drawing a lot. It's something I do notice, but this size has worked out really, really nicely. So I'm actually going to put this on. Actually, let me show you the clasping mechanism on this because I do think that's unique to this HardWear collection. So the clasp looks just like one of these links, just a little bit larger. And it opens up just like that. So it's just a little push-pull spring-loaded mechanism. It blends in with the rest of the bracelet really nicely, I think. I also find it very easy to put on, which is nice. So here's what this bracelet looks like on my wrist. As you can see, it's a really, really nice size. It's not too big, not too small, still noticeable. I think it looks really, really beautiful, and I'm really happy with this purchase. So if this bracelet was something you were looking at, this again is the medium size. They also do a micro size, which I'm not sure how much smaller that would be. It must be, you know, similar to the bead bracelet. It must be just a much thinner style piece, but beautiful. I really, really love it. I would love to get the earrings in this collection as well. And then just for the sake of comparison, I have my classic round link bracelet here just to show you sort of the size difference. Let me pull my other bracelets away. So you can see this is quite a bit smaller, probably half, maybe a little more than half the width of this round link bracelet. And I find this to be much more comfortable to wear than this one. I love this piece, I do wear it a lot, but as I said, it gets a little bit heavy for me personally. This weight is really, really nice, very comfortable. So yeah. Now this next piece is something that I have mentioned in a previous video when I shared my charm bracelet and charm collection. And that is this charm. So this is the charm I shared previously. It is the bird charm from the limited edition collection that was only released at the flagship store, and I was able to find the dragonfly. So I just received this in the mail today. That's why I'm filming this video. I found this on Poshmark actually from a seller who I'm familiar with already. She is in some of the Tiffany Co Facebook reselling groups, so I trusted her, have seen her name before. So yes, I bought this from her and I think it is in beautiful condition. I absolutely love it. So now I have 2 of the 4. There is also a butterfly charm that I'm on the lookout for, and a bumblebee charm that I personally have never seen on the resale market before. So I think that one is going to be much more of a challenge to find, but I'm hopeful. It's kind of fun to look for these pieces, especially if you're a collector like me. I enjoy kind of scrolling through some of these sites and some of these Facebook groups and seeing what treasures people have up for sale. So I'm on the lookout for those too. But for now, I'm really, really happy to have found this dragonfly. I think these are just so beautifully done. I think they're whimsical and so fun. And yes, so I just wanted to share that little update with you all. I have this on my blue clasping link bracelet for now. And just in case anyone was curious, I did switch up my ring stack today. So I have my hexagonal link ring in platinum and diamonds. I have my Tiffany wire band and just a little platinum and diamond band, non-Tiffany, but a piece I really love to stack with my Tiffany rings. And then on this hand, I have a channel set Tiffany diamond band on the bottom, and then I have a ring from the Jazz collection with the square and round alternating diamonds, and then a little Metro band on top, and then just my classic 1837 ring in silver. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today and tuning in for this small little Tiffany unboxing. I love watching other people unbox their treasures and seeing everyone's collections as they grow. And yeah, so I enjoy sharing mine as well. If you have any questions about any of the items I shared today, drop them down in the comments. I'm happy to answer those for you. And yeah, I will see you all in the next one. Bye, everybody.
You see nothing but the song you sing, and of the day you can't remember